Hi there, this is Jason Mefford. I wanted to show you in this quick video how easy it is to actually add your cRisk Academy blockchain technology CPE certificates to your LinkedIn profile. And whether you realize it or not, hiring managers are actually looking at your LinkedIn profile to see what knowledge, skills, and competencies you have. So since you've earned it already, you might as well get credit for it and let the whole world actually know what you know. Okay. So let me just walk through and show you how this works. Because effectively, every time that you finish a course on cRisk Academy, you're going to get an email. Now, the email is going to look something like this. This is one that I received from our partner at Credible, which is where the certificates are all located. Now you can see on this, that I get, it says congratulations on your certificate of professional education for 3 things internal auditors must do now to stay relevant. So that is the name of the course that I completed. So here's kind of the easiest way to do this, because you're going to want to kind of follow these steps. And so if you don't get it the first time, just rewind the video, watch it again. But what I want to do is I want to first just copy this text because I'm going to need that later. Now, if you come down here, again, as you look at the email, it says, hey, to get the most out of your digital certificate, take these steps. So you can view your certificate. I'm going to show you how to do that. You can share in a post on LinkedIn. You can also add the certificate to your profile. And, again, we suggest go ahead and email us back. Let us know what you liked about the course as well. Now, because we're using this technology, it's available for you to access in an online format anytime. And you can safely share this with the world. And as I said, include it on your LinkedIn profile as well. So I'm just going to walk through these steps with you. So I'm going to click on this button here, right, that says view my certificate. And it's going to take me to my Credible account. Now, I already have this set up. The first time you do it, you might have to go through, put in a password and set up your account. But now I can see my CPE certificate here, right? So what I want to do is I want to come down here and I want to add this to my LinkedIn profile. So I'm going to click that button. And again, you're just going to have to log into LinkedIn. It's going to take you to your LinkedIn profile. And now you see up here at the beginning, it pulls through Certificate of Professional Education as a standard default because you're going to be going through various different courses. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight that area. I'm going to paste in the name of the course that I copied from my email. And you see it's already showing that cRisk Academy is the one that is the issuing authority. It shows the date already, your credential ID, and the link back to your credential ID as well. So now all I have to do is click Save. And now when I come down into my LinkedIn profile down below, we're going to see that this 3 things internal audit must do now to stay relevant is now in my LinkedIn. And so, at this point, again, people can see that it was issued by cRisk Academy, the date, that there's no expiration date on it because there's no expiration on CPE certificates. And if people want to click on it, or you can actually click and see the credential, it will take you back again to this area. Now, if you want to take a look at all of the credentials that you have been issued through cRisk Academy, you can just click on My Credentials. And what you will see then is a list of all of the different things that have been issued to you by cRisk Academy. And so again, from here, you can share them. You can download as well, but that way it gives you a complete picture of everything that you have done. So for example, here is this one that I just did, that I just put onto LinkedIn. I can also share that, right? So I can share it to my feed, and it'll take me again to where I can say, As it opens up here, computer's just a little slow. Okay, so you can see that it's coming through now. I want to share in a post, and I can just put something like, "So excited, I just got this CPE certificate from cRisk Academy." And if you tag us in there, then we'll actually be able to see it. And what we suggest as well, if you'd like me to actually be able to come out and congratulate you yourself, you can say something like, "Thank you at Jason Mefford." Whoops. Jason Mefford, you can see me pop up here for this great discussion. Something like that. And then I can click on post, and you can actually go and view the post now that you'll see here in LinkedIn, right? So again, you can see that. You can even like your own post as well. And that way, again, everyone will know that you got this because it shows up, again, as I said, as on your LinkedIn profile. I showed you how that was done before. As well as, again, I've now shared in the LinkedIn post as well. Now, again, it's you always have access to your records here in your Credible account. And so, again, would encourage you to, make sure and add each of these as they come in to your LinkedIn profile, so you get credit for the hard work that you've actually put in. So with that, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to contact@criskacademy.com, and somebody on our support team will help you if you have any questions. And as I said, again, if you were like, "I didn't quite get that," well, just go ahead, rewind this video and watch it again, and it'll show you again, as I said, step by step, how to go through this whole process. So thanks for listening.